Hello friends, welcome to the course on robotics programming, Scratch gaming and math. In the Scratch gaming section, you will take the basics learnt in the last section forward and will develop computer games based on programming in Scratch software. You will be able to develop your own computer games after completing the Scratch gaming section. The Scratch course will be taken up by our instructor, Ms. Shivani. She is a computer science engineer and very proficient in programming, data analytics, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. There are no prerequisites to take up this course. You do not need any technical, programming, or robotics knowledge to take up this course. So the USP of the course is no programming knowledge is required, no technical or robotics knowledge is required to take up this course. You can learn very complicated subjects and very complicated fundamentals while having fun. So enroll for the course and enjoy learning. Hello friends, welcome to the course on robotics programming and math. Here you will learn to move the robot in the forward and backward direction, to make it take a turn, and to draw different shapes, which will require you to learn some basic concepts of mathematics like number of turns you will need to take for drawing a square and how many degrees you need to turn each time. Similarly, these concepts will be utilized to draw different shapes like hexagon, a circle, and various other polygons. In the process of learning robotics programming, you will also learn different programming concepts like for loop, while loop, and conditional statements like if and else. There are no prerequisites to take up this course. You do not need any technical, programming, or robotics knowledge to take up this course. This course has been specially developed for kids, parents, STEM teachers, instructors, and beginners to enjoy robotics programming and also learn mathematical concepts in a fun way. So enroll for the course and enjoy learning.